welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a video that I have not done here on my channel in a very long time, and that is a mascara first impressions. Not too long ago, I received this PR package from COVERGIRL. I am what I make up right here, and the packaging is super cute. It's kind of got like this tropical, really cute layout, and this is one of their new mascaras with Lashblast. It is the COVERGIRL Flourish by Lashblast Mascara. Say that 5 times fast. Here is what the inside, hopefully they don't fall out. Here's what the inside of the packaging looks like. So the very first thing that we have in here is the COVERGIRL Lashblast Amplify Primer. So it just comes in like this white tube right here. Then the next one is the mascara. So this is what the packaging looks like. It kind of has like this shiny, kind of like blue teal color. So first I'm going to talk about the primer. So this is the Lashblast Amplify Eyelash Primer. It has a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. And it says, apply this creamy, lightweight primer for an instant lash boost. Lashblast Amplify Primer glides on evenly to maximize the results of your favorite COVERGIRL mascara. So you can buy this separately, and this will go with any other mascara that COVERGIRL currently has on the market. Again, this also has a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. Really affordable. You can get it from Walmart, Ulta, any drugstore really, or any makeup store for really affordable prices. Like you can get it at Walgreens for $9.49, CVS for $9.29, and Target you can get it for $6.99. So it pretty much ranges from about $7 to $10 depending on where you live and what the prices are in each store. So it does come in 4 shades. We have brown, light brown, black, and very black. The one I have is the black color. Sleep on COVERGIRL's Flourish by Lashblast Mascara to treat lashes to lush ingredients including coconut, avocado, and papaya oils. COVERGIRL's Flourish Mascara helps lashes feel conditioned, builds volume, and adds definition with every application. So I'm very excited to try this on. As you guys can see, I have all of my face makeup done, but I have absolutely nothing on my eyes. So we're going to be starting with completely bare lashes, and I will do one eye, compare it to the other one, and then we'll make both eyes even, obviously. Alright, so I moved you guys in a little bit closer so you can see my eyes better, and we are going to start with the primer first. So I have my little mirror here, and we are just going to simply, first we're going to look at it. I haven't even looked at this brush. Oh wow. Okay, so here is what the primer brush looks like. It is a fairly big brush, and it has quite a few bristles on it, so we are just going to pretty much dive right in. It has a very COVERGIRL scented mascara smell, which for those of you who have used COVERGIRL products before, you know exactly what smell I'm talking about. It's not necessarily a bad smell, but yeah, it doesn't bother me at all, but there definitely is a scent to it. So I think I'm going to start with my right eye first, and we're going to go in with the primer. So here goes nothing. So as I'm applying it to my eyes, it's not really giving my eyelashes like a white color. But as you can see, it is doing something to them. Like the white isn't like super dramatic. Like it doesn't look like I'm applying white mascara. And I'm just kind of shaking the wand from the root all the way to the tip of my lashes. Okay, so right away I am noticing, compared to this eye with nothing on it, it already is giving me a little bit of like a boost of volume. So hopefully when we apply the mascara over top of it, which I'm going to let this dry for a couple seconds before I do that, hopefully it should help out with that lengthening and volume that I desire. Because when I wear mascara, because I don't wear a lot of false eyelashes, so whenever I do wear a mascara, I really like to go for that like volumized, like big lash look. The primer is fully on the top and bottom lashes. I'm just going to kind of let that dry a little bit. Alright, so now that the primer has fully dried on my lashes, I'm going to go in with one dip into the mascara. And the brush on this guy is a little bit thinner than the primer, as you can see. Let's hope for the best. So again, I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just sort of shaking the wand from the root of my lashes all the way up to the tip of them. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, it looks like I'm wearing false eyelashes. That is insane. Oh my god. That is insane. Do you guys see the difference in both of my eyes? As you can see, the length and the volume and the fullness that it is giving my eyelashes, I'm obsessed. It looks really, really good. So I am going to go in with a second coat and see how buildable it is. But first what I want to do is I want to go in and do the exact same thing to the other eye, and I want to see if the results are kind of the same, because I feel like with my eyelashes, I feel like one eye always looks better than the other. So I want to see if I can kind of create similar results. So again, I'm going to go in with the primer and start applying it to the left eye now. Using the same technique, just kind of wiggling the brush like that. And as you can see, like, this is the primer, and you can kind of see like all the volume it's already giving. So that is the primer on both the top and bottom lashes on that eye. And since this mascara is infused with like coconut oil and everything like that, it's going to make your lashes feel very nourished. It's not going to make them feel dry, or you're not going to have issues with like things falling off or getting flakes on your skin. So I have a lot of faith in this mascara, and just from like the one coat or the one dip that I did for this eye, like, I don't know, I feel like it looks really good. Like, I would be totally happy with this. So, and I don't know how this mascara is on its own yet. I will have to try that, but I really, really wanted this review to be on the primer and the mascara. So for those of you that it is bothering that I'm using the primer on both eyes, it's a review on both, okay? Okay, so there is that eye with the one coat, and here is next to each other. I'm really impressed with this. Like, my eyes just look so much bigger. They look so much more alive. Like, I think this looks absolutely beautiful. Wow, I'm really, really happy with that. So now I'm going to see how buildable this mascara is, because if any of you out there are like me, you really like to build up your mascara. Like, I think the longest part in my makeup routine is definitely my mascara. I could spend 5 to 10 minutes doing it. I really like full big lashes. I'm gonna go in with one more dip, wipe off any excess, and go back to the right eye. And we're gonna see how much bigger we can get these puppies. Wow, so as you guys just saw, I went over my lashes quite a few times, and I'm not having any really big signs of clumpiness or kind of gathering together. And I feel like with all the oils that are in this mascara, I feel like that kind of helps kind of separate the lashes and kind of give them their each own kind of individual attention as to giving them all length and volume without getting clumpy. So just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna go in one more time. So we're gonna do a third coat, and we're gonna see if that does anything. And this time I'm gonna go from the outside, drag down like that, and then I'm going to sweep back up like that. Okay, so doing that gave them a little bit more of like a spidery effect, which I ain't mad at. I personally like when lashes look like that. I don't know, it's just my own personal taste. So if that's not your own personal taste, I would probably not do that method or not do 3 coats. But it still looks really good to me. Like, it looks like I have like a full set of false eyelashes on, and I don't, and that makes me really super happy. So yeah, this is the difference from the right eye to the left. This one has a total of 3 coats on it, and this one has a total of 1. So if you are someone who does more of that dramatic eye look, you could go for something like this. Or if you're someone who's a little bit more on the natural side, 1 coat would be super good for you. So I'm going to quickly go in and do the exact same thing to my left eye, and I will come back with my final thoughts on the new COVERGIRL Flourish by Lashblast review. Was that good? Here are what both of my eyes look like with the 3 layers of mascara on and 1 coat of the primer. I think it looks really, really good. Like, I am super, super happy with these results. The one thing I do notice though about this mascara is it seems like it does take a little bit longer to dry. Again, that could be from the oils and things like that. So it does take a little bit longer to dry, but that's fine with me, because usually after my mascara, I'll do my highlighter, I'll do my lips, setting spray, and it's usually good to go. So for a really cheap, affordable drugstore mascara, I definitely think that this works amazing. And as far as the primer goes, is a eyelash primer absolutely necessary to do mascara? No, but if you are someone who does enjoy doing your mascara or really likes your eyes to pop, I feel like the primer is kind of cool. And for those of you who have tried this mascara, what do you think of it? Did you like it? Are you happy with it? So far, based on just a first impressions, I absolutely love it. I think it looks really great. Thank you so much to CoverGirl for sending me this package. I love it. I love what you guys are doing in the makeup game. You guys are killing it. Drugstore makeup is coming after high-end makeup. I swear to God, they are just killing it nowadays. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up down in the description box. Don't forget to go down and subscribe. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video, in my next vlog. Whatever it is, I will see you there. I love you guys.